This is not your regular potato fries. I'll give you a few seconds to guess from what these fries are made of. This food is easily available in Sri Lanka and also cheaper than many foods, but we often neglect to use this. Hi, I'm Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking my video. So, did you guess correctly? Yes, it is jack. I think we are not using this food up to its full potential. Anyway, this jackfruit has started to ripen a little bit, so we couldn't use it to make a curry. That's why I decided to make fries with them. Also, this is not ripened enough to be eaten as a fruit. So I cut them into thin strips. Now I am gonna make a batter to coat the fries. First I am adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next I am adding some salt and some turmeric powder for the color. Now I am adding some coconut milk to it. This is not the thick coconut cream we get in the first time. This is the diluted one that we get in the second time. If you can't find coconut milk in your country, it is okay to just use water. Mix everything well to make a thick batter. Adjust the consistency using water or coconut milk. Heat some coconut oil in a container and then dip the jackfruit in prepared batter and drop them to the oil. Deep fry until they become a golden yellow color. You can make lot of fries just by using small amount of jackfruit. I prepared 2 options as my dipping sauces for this fry. This is actually treacle. In Sri Lanka we call this kithul pani. This one is tomato sauce mixed with chili flakes and soya sauce. I liked spicy foods, but my mom is a sweet tooth. I ate my fries with the chili sauce, but my mom ate her with the treacle. This was a good alternative for French fries, so I hope you liked my video. So until we meet again, bye.